So, Memorandum of Understanding is signed between Government of India and public sector undertakings. What is that Memorandum of Understanding? So, the Memorandum of Understanding is nothing but a set of standards. Right. Let's say they will have, there are 5 standards. So those 5 standards are defined, as we have told, performance evaluation, performance standard, performance incentivization. So basically, Memorandum of Understanding is nothing but performance standard. And both agree to that performance standard. And after 1 year, they will be evaluated. A public sector undertaking will be evaluated as per that Memorandum of Understanding. And for that standard to achieve, it will be given autonomy. Government will not interfere. So for 1 year, government will not interfere in the work of that PSU. It will given freedom. And by end of the year, its performance will be evaluated as per what you have written the standard in MOU. If it has performed better, it becomes the basis for incentivization. Like MOU is a criteria to get recognized as Mini Ratna and Navratna. This is how. Or Mini Ratna, Navratna, Maharatnas are also basis for autonomy. They are given autonomy plus incentivization. You should know that how incentivization. Mini Ratna, Maharatna companies have autonomy to invest, take decision. The certain, let's say, money value, they have been given autonomy to invest. They can take decision themselves. They don't need to take permission from government. And the profits they earn, the certain percentage of that profit, they will share to their employees. All employees will have share in the profits. So it is incentivization. But this thing you cannot find in other government agencies. Right. So Memorandum of Understanding is nothing but a kind of practice of new public management.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Lukmaan IAS and make your UPSC dreams come true. Download the app now.